Hi, my name is Will Oberton. I'm the President and CEO of Fastenal. I want to thank you for taking just a few minutes to learn more about Fastenal Automated Supply Technology, better known as industrial vending. Today I'm going to talk about 3 points. One is why vending. 2 is if you do choose vending, why Fastenal. And 3 is how you would get started if you choose to move forward. Talk about why vending. If you look around outside of your business today, you're using vending in many different ways. If you go to the airport to buy a ticket, it's automated. Just put your card in, the ticket comes out. You go to buy gas, you put your card in the pump, don't even walk into the store anymore. You go to rent a movie, you probably stop in the entry of the grocery store, pick it up out of a red box vending machine. So vending is everywhere that we look today. As far as the industrial side of it, we have been very involved over the last 2 to 3 years trying to introduce this product to our customers. What are our customers seeing? They are seeing on the average a 25 to 35% reduction in the consumption of the products they use. That is one of the main reasons that they're implementing this technology. Second is the customers are seeing 24/7 access to these products. If you think about it, it's like having a small industrial supply store located within your facility, or maybe several small industrial supply stores located within your facility closer to your employees to reduce the amount of time that it takes them to get the necessary products and safety equipment they need to perform their job. Another very positive thing that our customers are coming back with is that they're actually increasing productivity because with more machines in the plant, we're shortening the distance from where they work to where they go to get the product. So the tack time is much shorter and they spend more time producing products than walking to the crib to get what they need. It's a system that works, it will save you money, and it will make your plant more productive. Now, if you do choose to move forward, why would you choose Fastenal? One of the main reasons that you should choose Fastenal is that we have a local presence. We have more than 2,600 locations throughout North America, and so we are close to where you are. So we're there to fulfill the machines when you need them. Second is we have made a huge commitment to industrial vending. We have built what we call the machine behind the machine. The machines behind me are very important, but they won't do much unless you have a large network of support behind that machine. What we have is we have a packaging department that's working on packaging the product so that it falls out of the machine. Most of us have been in front of a machine sometime, probably a candy machine, beating on that machine trying to get the product to drop. It's normally not that the machine was bad, it's usually due to bad packaging, and we're trying to correct that problem. Another part of our support system is we have 12 build centers where we actually configure the machines and ship to you so that we can install them efficiently and effectively. Many of our competitors that do this don't have their own build centers and don't have their own technicians, so if something does break, it probably means an airplane ticket out to your facility and 2 or 3 days delayed. So we have local technicians and local build centers so the machines are up and running at a very high percentage of the time. Another very important part of our support system is our customer call center. We have a group of over 30 people that are taking calls from both our stores and our customers whenever there's a machine problem or an inventory problem. So we have a very dedicated group that's doing nothing but making sure that your machines keep running. And the last part of our system, the machine behind the machine, is we have a wide range of very dependable machines and a very robust software system to support those machines. So you can get reporting at 5 different levels to make sure that you manage your inventory and control what goes in and out of your facility. If you decide that this may be a solution for you and you decide to look around and see what else is on the market, I challenge you to ask our competitors or other companies offering this what they have that compares to our machine behind the machine, because it's a very important part of what we do is this big system, over 150 people that are dedicated to nothing but industrial vending at Fastenal. My last point is how would you get started if this sounds interesting to you? What I would suggest is you contact the local Fastenal store and they would help you schedule an on-site visit from one of our demonstration vans. These vans are equipped with the equipment that we sell, and it would help you get a better idea of how the software works and what product goes in the machine. Hopefully you could bring out some of your supervisors and other people that would benefit from this so they can also get a good idea of what this system looks like and whether that would work as a solution for them. If the demonstration goes well, then we would work with you to determine what products would go in the machine. We'd design a template with your products in it. We would send that to our build center. They would configure your machine and deliver that machine within 45 to 60 days. It's a very simple process, and it's very painless for the customer. In closing, here's how it works. We provide a machine to you at no cost. We do charge a small monthly software fee, which covers the software, the delivery, the setup, and any maintenance that you would want on the machine. But here's our commitment. If you don't see a savings in the consumption of the products in the machine by at least 25% over the first 12 months, you let us know, and we're willing to come out, take the machine back. Because our thought on this is, if this system isn't good for you, it's probably not good for our relationship with your business, and so we'd rather just take it out and move forward without the system. Now, if you think that's a good idea, I would encourage you to contact our local store today, pick up the phone, give them a call, and get started on this process, get started on the savings, because the sooner you start, the sooner you save. Thank you very much.